So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add Facebook feed to your Wix website. So first of all you will have to come on this website called elfsight.com, and in the widgets section you'll find this social section, and in this you'll find this Facebook feed. After coming on this page you'll click on create widget. And now guys, you can see a bunch of templates here. You can choose whichever you like, and after choosing the template, you'll have to click on this button called continue with this template. After that, you have to connect to Facebook and log into your account, and after logging in, you'll have to click on this button called add to website. After that, you'll have to also sign up to your elfsight account. And as you can see guys, now this window will be open, and now you just have to click on this button called save and choose whichever subscription you like. I'll go with this one. And now just click on this code, and the code is copied, and come to your editor.wix.com and click on add elements. And after that you will find this option called embed code and go to embed HTML. Now paste the code and click on update. And you can see the Facebook page is here on my website. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.